Hainan Island boasts not only its beaches, attractions, but also tea plantations. Here, due to climatic conditions, they begin to collect tea earlier than in all of China at the beginning of January, and they do it 8 times a year, for 10 months. Tea growing on the Hainan Island has a long history. The most popular teas are Shuiman Cha, Shuiman Tea, Baisha Lu Cha, Baisha Green Tea, and Wuzhishan Hong Cha, Wuzhishan Red Tea. Lu Cha Baisha Green. Real Chinese tea is not only a valuable drink, but also a wonderful souvenir. Note that tea is usually exported, so the market sell tea imported from the mainland. In order to buy real tea from Hainan Island, without fear of counterfeiting, can be done at the tea factory. Tea on the island of Hainan is grown in only 14 cities and in the highland counties Baisha, Wuzhishan, Dinjian, Chengmai and Qiongzhong, Dinjian, More than 80 varieties of tea are grown in the fields, including large-leaved Yunnan varieties and their local varieties. On the island of Hainan, not only pure tea is grown, but also its varieties, for example, Hainan, pandan tea or privet tea. Among them, Hainan Cha, Lamu Cha, Wuzhishan Cha deserve special attention. Lamu. Very often, tourists operators offer a free tour of Sanya, which includes a visit to the tea ecological center or the tea house, where they will talk about the properties of tea and, of course, offer to buy it. It's up to you to buy or not, but the prices here are higher than in stores in the city, and do not forget that this is not a tea factory after all. The city, and to get to the real tea factory, you should go inland. For example, there are several tea factories in Wuzhishan County. What is nice, you can visit the plantations absolutely free of charge, but excursions with tastings are paid. By the way, very soon, in January, the opening of the season will take place here. They begin to collect tea leaves in national costumes, accompanied by folklore groups and, of course, by officials. Accompanied by China is the birthplace of tea and the centuries-old tradition of tea drinking. The island of Hainan is no exception. Here you can buy a variety of varieties of this invigorating drink. Tea in Hainan has been growing for over 8 centuries. Its export today is one of the main income sources of the local economy. The island's climate is conducive to the cultivation of various varieties of Chinese tea, including elite ones, served at official receptions of the PRC government of Chinese tea.